Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, welcome. If you like style tips, guide, and style inspiration, then you're in the right channel. And today let's talk about winter outfit ideas or winter lookbook that are both casual and comfortable at the same time. But before I show you the style or the lookbook, I just want to let you know the three items that are actually foundation of all this look. And these are the black denim jeans, the white denim jeans, and the blue denim jeans. Now I could create a whole lot of look on these three jeans. Now let's talk about the black denim jeans. The black denim jeans is actually the easiest one for me to style, just because the color black is such a good color that it's actually I would say matches, or it's actually look good with a whole lot of colors, especially the color red, the color white. They are a really good combination, or a good color that is paired with the black color. The other good color with black is khaki, and I'm going to show it to you as well. Now if you would like to have a different color, or let's say you want it pink with a print, you just want to make sure that the print on your top has the same color or has that black color that would actually match your black denim jeans, because you want the cohesiveness of the look. Now same goes with the white denim jeans and the blue denim jeans. If you want to wear a top with a print, then you want to make sure that the print of your top has that same color, let's say white with the white denim jeans, or blue with the blue denim jeans. So the second jeans that I want to talk to you about is the white denim jeans. This color is actually really good with beige, taupe, camel, and of course white, and of course also black. Especially the camel and the white together with these denim jeans just look cohesive. It looks elegant and classy, and it's just effortlessly beautiful together. Now the hardest color, or the denim jeans that I have a hard time pairing it with the top, is the blue denim jeans, just because I don't think a whole lot of color can actually is a good combination with the blue denim jeans. But black is always good, white is always good with the blue denim jeans. And the other thing that I've actually found out is that you want a shade of blue, because the denim jeans is blue. That shade of blue would match the blue denim jeans better, and it just looks more cohesive. So when I say shades of blue, it could be turquoise, chambray blue, just like the one I'm wearing right now, vintage blue. Anything in a shade of blue I think would really look good with a blue denim jeans. And don't forget, or watch till the end of this video, because I have bonus look for you guys. The other thing that I actually want to mention is that this lookbook actually has a pop of color, because I don't want it to be boring and I want it to be refreshed. I wanted to wear colors that would look good on my skin tone. So I hope you enjoy this video. recap, if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you like such video, I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to this channel. And I hope to see you on my next video. Take care.